Welcome back to FAFO Fridays, and again this week we're going to do some automotive barrier testing. This time we're doing a windshield. Don't forget to head to ballisticmachinist.com and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you stay up to date on all the newest releases. And don't forget, always shoot cool shit. Well, we're going to start out with a 9mm Interceptor, and again, 704 Tactical did auto glass testing with these. So I kind of know what's going to happen with them. I'm expecting the nose to fold over and go into a full metal jacket. But we got a gel block behind the windshield here, and we're going to give it a go. All right, let's go see what it did. All right, well, we got our entrance right here. And through my very cloudy gel, you can kind of see the track going on right there, and it stopped right about the, I'm going to guess right around the 12-inch mark. So let's cut that one out and see what it looks like. Well, we went ahead and dug out that 9mm right there at about that 12 inches of penetration. And we'll get it in the sun here. You can see it didn't lose any of the petals. I was a little bit closer than the test that I had mentioned, but it kept all the petals, went into a barrier penetration mode. And I mean, everything kept tracking pretty straight. So if you were shooting through a windshield, at least with that shot, you'd have hit your intended target. Let's try a 380. We also found out that if you hold it right on the windshield where it went through, that the angle on the bullet is almost perfect to the angle of the windshield at point of impact. So we just did the 9mm, and I was extremely happy with the way that mushroomed up and kept traveling in a straight line through the auto glass. So now we're going to put the 380 Interceptor to the test. We've moved the gel over to a clean spot, and we're going to give that one a try. All right, let's see where we did. All right, here we are in the truck, and I remembered to turn the slow-mo camera on this time, so hopefully that caught something good. But right there's our second impact. Come in here. We hit a little bit low, but it started tracking upwards through this track right here. Right there's our bullet, and you can see that it went another 2 inches and then sprung back. And I can see that the bullet looks like it's mushroomed the same way as the 9mm. So let's cut it out and take a look. All right, well, we got our bullet dug out. And same thing with the 9mm. You got a perfect angle right here that matches the angle of the windshield at the point of impact. But still, pretty darn impressive for a 380. The 380 Interceptors are actually making that pocket rocket a viable option for auto defense. All right, well, that was pretty impressive into the gel, so we're going to do another one with a water jug in there. I got the gel block behind it because I'd really like to not break that back window, but we'll see what happens. So let's try another 380. And of course, I broke the back window. All right, well, here we are. There was our third shot. We got an entrance right here, and we got an exit right there. And of course, I missed my gel block that I put in there to protect the back window. And if you're quiet, you can hear the glass breaking as it fractures more. That one's gone though, so let's look at the two that we recovered. All right, well, here's our 2 bullets that we recovered from the auto glass. And I'd say they had pretty consistent results between the two of them. They tracked pretty accurate, except for that last one that went a little high, but it still went straight. All in all, though, I think the 380 and the 9mm are both good for auto defense. Thank you for watching, and make sure you swing over to Detroit Ammo Co. and pick you up some of these Interceptors.